It takes around 15 minutes to take the stairs. A bit
Harder?
A bit harder, but I think comparing to other hills in Sri Lanka, this is nothing, huh? Just I don't know how many steps, but it took us 15 minutes. This was the first step. Now we will go to Sigiriya Rock. I think it will be a little bit more challenging for us. That's why we skipped Adam's Peak. Yeah. On the other hand, this you should definitely visit Dambulla Cave Temple. There are many Buddha statues. You should be careful if you come here because they don't allow you with shorts.
And caps also.
And the caps. The caps is not allowed. You should wear something long trousers or long dresses. And the stairs are a little bit slippery. You should be careful. So bring some shoes, which is very comfortable. On the other hand, you are not allowed to get inside the temple with your shoes. You need to give your shoes to some people. They charge you 25 per pair, so it's not a big amount. And the entrance fee was 3,000 rupees, Sri Lankan rupees. I think it makes $18, $17, something like this for 2 person. So each person $8 or $9. Now we are going to climb to the top of the rock, which is 1,200 steps. We are in the Sigiriya Rock now, and I think
We're dying.
I don't know how many steps it took, but it's a lot. So you see that monkey? You. There are many monkeys here. Yeah. Shall we go?
We are in middle of nowhere.
We're in the middle of nowhere, and we need to go there. Yeah. Not easy. I was gonna fall maybe 3-4 times, and my hand already dislocated. It's not because of this, because football, and now having difficulty. Hopefully we will arrive soon, and I wanna take the time lapse of the sunset.
看看人呢。
Oh my god. I'm so tired.
Kaçamazsın. Önce bildiğin çıkıyordu.